Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro and the Air Fryer. If you're new here, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro is priced at $99, while the Air Fryer is priced at $67. So, if you're looking for a more affordable option, the Air Fryer would be a great choice. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro has a 5-quart cooking space, which can hold enough food for 1 to 4 people, while the Air Fryer has a 4-quart capacity, which can also serve a family of 2 to 4 people. However, the Air Fryer has a more compact design which takes up less space on your countertop. Both air fryers have 9 one-touch cooking functions on a tempered glass display, allowing you to preheat and add personalized shake reminders. However, the air fryer also has a dehydrate mode, which the COSORI Air Fryer Pro lacks. Both air fryers provide similar cooking results. However, the air fryer has even crisp technology, which allows for airflow, resulting in a perfect golden finish, crispy and tender results. Additionally, the Thermo IQ technology can automatically adjust temperature to keep fluctuations under 5 degrees F for evenly cooked meals. Both air fryers are easy to clean as they have a non-stick basket that is dishwasher safe. However, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro is made without BPA and PFOA, making it a healthier option. That's a wrap for our comparison of the COSORI Air Fryer Pro and the Air Fryer. We hope this helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.